So this is just the recap for live stream 224, I believe. As we can see, we've got a P&L of plus 18. We can see the breakdown of P&L on the right hand side of the screen. 4960 on ES, 4540 on NQ, and 9358 on gold. P&L doesn't tell true story of the day. We came into the market and we had some difficulties. Had several drawdowns back to break even and so on. We managed to walk away positive. So we'll have a look over on gold. Let's see. Over on gold. Let's see where our gold trades were. I believe I took only the one trade on gold. Yep, only the one trade on gold. So on gold, we did have short setups. But did we take them? No. So we had a long, and the reason we took the long was our counter trend system. We saw this very big move to the upside, up to all-time highs on gold. If you're looking at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you can see it's pretty much up to all-time highs on the daily chart. Drew this trend line as we came into the market. Notice the steepness of the trend line. Pretty strong move to the upside. Had a short setup through here, didn't take it, but just due to the fact that the market was trending so strongly to the upside. Like I said, took the counter trend long based on what was happening with the price action. Didn't work in my favor. After that, took another long trade, and this trade actually worked out in my favor, going on to hit target, across the two trades, picking up 9 there. Over on ES, it was pretty similar to what we had on NQ. On ES, we've had price come down to the 2-day VWAP, rallied up to 200, sold through the 2-day VWAP. Down here, what happened? Oh, I know what happened. So let's get executions on. So we went long with our counter trend system. Went long, price came down, stopped me out here, and went as low as 56.50. So about 2 ticks or so from where I was stopped out. Then rallied to the upside. This was a very frustrating experience for me, to be stopped out by a couple of ticks, only for the market to do what I expected it to do. Through here, what happened? Took a short, but we took it off a break even. We didn't like the price action. Yeah, didn't like the price action through there. Took a long. Was it a long? No, took another short. Took that off. So we didn't like the price action. We felt this market could go higher. It seemed to be consolidating because it wanted to go higher and break out. Good decision there. Through here, thought we'd go long for continuation. Thought this was a pullback to go long. Got stopped out. Had some difficulties through here as well. Couple of break evens. Had a short just here. Was a little bit concerned about 2-day VWAP, but decided to take it anyway. Went short. Target was hit. Not long after target hit, market reversed. And what did I do here? So this might have been the first momentum trade I took. I took a couple of momentum trades. Took a couple of momentum trades through there. I drew this trend line to the upside. Thought prices were heading higher. And it was a case of taking longs with momentum. Target hit. Taking a long again. Target hit. I think one of them was a FOMO trade. Took a break even. Nope, took a long. Target was hit there. And through here, I took a long. And finally the target was hit. Now this final long, it was pretty problematic for me because it just took so long to work itself out. Seen a breakout there to previous day's high. Previous day's high is around the 1150s. So we just seen a break of the previous day's highs. But so we went long, was concerned about this area, but the target was only at the 103.50. So I thought there was a possibility of getting that target without concerning ourselves with the day high in this region. Plus the zone was pretty big for ES. Had to suffer through these pullbacks. Of course, some doubt came in. I thought it would be stopped out. Eventually, prices did go on to hit the target on the breakout. And as we can see, the breakout followed through up to the previous day's high. Those are pretty much ES trades. Over on NQ, it's pretty similar. Went long with the kind of trend system that I started with. It switched over to momentum based on what I was seeing on the VIX. So went long. This was frustrating, likewise with the ES. Price came down a couple of points. So where was I? Let's have a look. I believe, yep, I got stopped out at 21 or 20.75. Price got down to 19.50. Only a couple of ticks, less than 3 points. Price stopped me out, then rallied quite a bit actually. Rallied 150 points. I was very frustrated through this. This was very frustrating for me. After which, this was the period like I had on ES where I thought about shorting it. Eventually got out for a couple of break-even trades. Eventually switched over, picked up a long there. Managed to get some profits. Over here went long and lost. Similar to ES, thought price were pulling back to go long. Lost there. Took a couple of break-evens. Eventually went short with the, I believe it was a momentum. Target was hit. Prices went a little bit lower, but continued. Turned around and continued to the upside. What was this? So there's a series of trades. I flipped over to momentum based on the VIX. VIX was down below 5%. So I thought there was a bullish enough signal. So I decided to use a VIX as a reason to go long. And as we can see, the trades did work in my favor. Managed to dig myself out of a bit of a hole that I was in. Took a couple of long trades through here again. Trades worked out. Finally, through here, took a long trade. Because of the difficulties I was having with the ES, I decided to not allow the trade to come up to this green line, which was at 29.75. That's where the target would have been. Instead, I saw price came into this area here, these previous highs, even though this was only a 27-point move to the downside. Decided to just take it off there. Of course, as we can see, price would have never stopped me out. Price then continued to the upside up towards the original target around 29.75. As you can see also that the market has extended itself all the way up to the 21.682s. Finally, we'll have a look at the trade performance. On the trade performance, we can see the volatility I had in my P&L. We drew down 25, is it? 24. Rallied back to being down only 7, after which our biggest drawdown down to 73. At this point, I was very frustrated. Managed to get ourselves back to profitable. Drew down a huge amount again, down to 61. From there, went in a series of winning trades, trading along with momentum. Finally, we're going to end the day up 18. Over on summary page, we can see total gains 174, total losses 155. That's not great. Overall, let's see, long trades. Okay, long trades, kind of profitable. Most of our P&L was made on short trades. That's interesting. That's interesting. So let's have a look. 74% product of how the contracts are executed did add to winning trades that went in my favor, and that of course resulted in higher accuracy but a lower average. So the average wins smaller than the average loss by amounts that I'm not proud of here. It's not even 1 to 2. 0.38. We've got the largest win, largest loss again. The largest loss is almost twice the size of the largest win. That's not what we're looking for. 7 minutes in the market, that's about normal for me. And that's pretty much it. So what I'll do is, as usual, I will add in the bottom right hand side of the screen, I will add the live stream if you want to watch it back. It is a bit longer than normal. Well, I suppose it depends. It's about 3.5 hours. You can watch it 2 times speed, skip through it, see what the trades were, see what my thinking was. But with that, I'm just going to wrap up. We do have Apple earnings today, and so we'll see what Apple earnings brings to the market. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.